Hare Krishna. Welcome back to Humble Devotee, where we uncover powerful and lesser known stories of Krishna and his devotees, stories that remind us that Krishna does not look at wealth, status, or knowledge. He only looks at the love in a devotee's heart. Today's story is about a small child, a simple offering, and the day Krishna actually accepted food from his devotee. This story comes from the devotional traditions connected to the great saint Madhvendra Puri, one of the most important teachers in the Bhakti tradition. Many years ago, a young boy lived in a village where there was a small temple of Krishna. Every day, the temple priest would cook food and place it before the deity of Krishna as an offering. But the boy noticed something that confused him. After the offering was made, the priest would remove the plate and distribute the food as prasadam. The boy wondered, if this food is for Krishna, why does Krishna never eat it? One day, when the temple priest had to leave for some work, he asked the young boy to watch the temple for a while. Before leaving, the priest said, if it becomes time for Krishna's offering, place the food in front of the deity. The boy nodded. Soon it was time. The boy carefully placed the plate of food in front of Krishna's deity. Then he folded his hands and said sincerely, Krishna, please eat, but nothing happened. The deity remained still. Minutes passed. The boy waited patiently. Again he said, Krishna, this food is for you. Please eat. Still nothing. Slowly the boy's eyes began to fill with tears. He said softly, everyone says you accept offerings from your devotees. If you don't eat today, the priest will think I did something wrong. The boy sat there crying in front of the deity. His prayer was not formal. It was not perfect, but it was completely sincere. And then something miraculous happened. The room filled with a gentle presence. And before the boy's eyes, Krishna appeared. The Lord smiled lovingly and began eating the food from the plate. The boy watched in amazement as Krishna finished the entire offering. When the priest returned later and saw the empty plate, he was shocked. He asked the boy, where is the food? Where is the food? The boy innocently replied, Krishna ate it. At first, the priest didn't believe him. But when he heard the entire story, he realized something profound. Krishna had accepted the offering because of the pure faith of a child. This story teaches a beautiful truth. Krishna does not look at how elaborate an offering is. He looks at the love behind it. As Krishna himself says in the Bhagavad Gita 9.26, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam, Yo me bhakte prayachati. If someone offers me a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water with devotion, I accept it. Now we would love to hear from you. What is the most sincere prayer you have ever offered to Krishna? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you believe Krishna accepts offerings made with pure devotion, write Krishna accepts true devotion in the comments. Hare Krishna.